Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia D'Silva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you 5 different ways to use a watercolor pencil. I recently bought the set of 36 Mont Marte watercolor pencils and I was so excited to try it out. I didn't know how to use it, so I came up with 5 different ways to use it, and I hope those tips help you too. So let's go ahead and watch the video. So I'm using Mont Marte watercolor pencils. This is 36 colors. I bought this from itsybitsy.com. I actually went to their store in Goa and bought this. So I'm just gonna show you how I use watercolor pencils and the different ways you can use them. The very first way to use a watercolor pencil, you just use it normally like a color pencil, like any usual color pencil. You can put in different layers if you want. Alright, what you do next is you just dip this brush into water and go over it. There you go. Let me give you a closer look. I'm going to show you that one more time. I like the Mont Marte color pencils. They're better than other color pencils I've tried before. When you're using the pencil in this way, you have to layer it well enough. You can see that. Alright, so that is one way to use it. You add water. And then you use the pencil over it. So as simple as that. You can try different approaches. I'm just dipping pencil in water. Here I have the pencil, just dipped it in water. Then I'm just doing that. So this roughly gives the effect of charcoal. You just dip your brush, keep a wet brush, and then take the pencil and just do that. Okay, pencil, just take it like that. Okay, and then paint it. Quite simple. Just take it that way and use it. The more water you use, the thicker it's going to be. The method I use is use a sharpener. Okay, and I put my pencil right here. I'll show you that. Scrape it that way. So now I have some powder there. Then spread put it onto the palette, then mix it up with my brush, and then use it like any watercolor you would. Right, so if you already have a set of watercolor pencils, you can go ahead and try this, or you can buy a small little set and see if you like watercolor pencils, and then go ahead and buy a bigger set. And you can get a lot of finer details that you cannot get with normal watercolors, so that is why I prefer watercolor pencils along with my watercolors. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can find the subscribe button right there, and keep watching my videos. I upload one new video every week, and I also have links to my blog post in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. I upload one blog post every week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, suggestions, requests, please mention them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.